Hello everyone, welcome to Tutorials in Hand. In this video, we are going to see how to find size of the dictionary. So basically, if we have been given a dictionary and we are asked to find its length, that means we are asked to find the number of key value pairs that it contains. So in this particular video, we are going to see that only with the help of Python program. So without further ado, let's get started with it. So first of all, let's create a new file and let's call it simply code.py. Now, let's create a dictionary on our own. Let's call it as DB. And in that, we are basically keeping key value pairs. And let it be anything. Let's say we are mentioning subject names. And let's give two or three value of it. Let's give one more as computer networks. Let's take another one. Oops. Okay. So yeah, so these are the key value pairs. That means this is the basically our dictionary. Now we are interested in finding its length. So if we find its length, then the output should be 4. Now let's see how to do that. So in Python, we can do it simply with the help of a function called len function. So the way how we have to do is within this len function, in this parenthesis, we will give the name of the dictionary. Over here, it is what? It is DB. So we will do this. Now this particular thing, this particular stuff will give us the length of the dictionary. Let's try to print it so that we can check print. Let's print it simply and run it. Okay. So let me run the code, and over here you can see that boom 4 comes in. So this is how we can find the length of the dictionary with the help of very simple method, which is len. Inside the length, in the parenthesis, we have to give the name of the dictionary, and we can get the length of the dictionary. So this was all about the video. It was although very short, but it's very useful in the programming terms. So I hope you understood the things. See you in the next video.